For the best in dental care, visit Dental Beginnings on Victoria Road, Bastair. We offer professional dental care in a variety of services: cleanings, extractions, fillings, oral examination, root canal treatment, crown and bridge, and sealants. We're open from Monday through Friday from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturdays at 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Call us at 465-1951 or 668-1955. Or email us at dentalbeginnings@gmail.com. A gentle dentist in a comfortable and friendly environment. Dental Beginnings. It all begins with a smile.
The St. Kitts High Court on Wednesday heard the case pertaining to the diplomatic passport row between the opposition leader Dr. Denzil Douglas and the government of St. Kitts and Nevis. Legal counsels of both teams have to make submissions for the court to determine whether or not an expert witness is needed to ventilate the arguments on this matter. The government side had initially applied for use of an expert witness, but then on Wednesday indicated that there was no need for one. Attorney General Vincent Byron spoke to journalists at the High Court in Bastair after Wednesday's hearing.
Dr. Douglas's lawyers have asked that they should be able to use somebody who is versed in the interpretation of Dominica law to assist the court. Our argument is, or the argument put forward by my counsel, was that a judge of the High Court is a judge of the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court, and therefore appointed by the Judicial and Legal Service Commission, and is a judge of all of the countries, all of the states of the Eastern Caribbean, St. Kitts and Nevis, and Dominica included. And so the judge can be appointed to Dominica, just as he appointed here in St. Kitts and Nevis. If he sits in Dominica, he would determine what the Dominica law is. And so we are of the view that this is not necessary. As our lawyer has put it, there is a common forum, a commune forum, where all of the states in the Eastern Caribbean have similar judges who interpret the law in China.
But legal counsel representing Dr. Douglas, Sylvester Anthony, said their side believes an expert witness is necessary.
That it was the Attorney General's lawyers who, at the very first hearing of this matter, asked for it to be adjourned to allow them to bring expert evidence, to call an expert witness. At that time, you recall, we had said that if they wish to call an expert, we too would want the same opportunity. As it has turned out, we have now applied for an expert, and they are now arguing, they have not applied for an expert. Instead, they are arguing that the judge does not need an expert in order for him to interpret Dominican law. So that's the argument the court heard today, and the court has reserved the decision in relation to that, pending, subject of course to us filing final submissions. Mr. Mendez, senior counsel, had asked for some time to respond in writing to the speaking notes which we served on him yesterday, which is the speaking notes really is the submissions that we made today. And we have asked for an opportunity first to clean them up, to correct errors and so forth, and to reply to anything new that Mr. Mendez may have raised. So that the timeline given for that expires by the 14th of June, and the judge has indicated that he will issue his decision thereafter.
The government is arguing that Dr. Douglas has made himself ineligible to remain a member of parliament because he possesses and used a diplomatic passport issued by the government of Dominica. Attorney General Vincent Byron says that by his own act, Dr. Douglas is under allegiance and obedience to a foreign state, which is in violation of the Constitution of St. Kitts and Nevis, and he should vacate his seat. The substantive matter has still not been heard. The judge has made an order that both sides submit written statements by Friday, with each side given an additional 7 days to respond. Andre Huey, SKN Newsline.